Today's topic is intrusion prevention system. So the intrusion means a set of action aimed to compromise the integrity, confidentiality and availability of a computing and networking resources. So what is intrusion prevention system? As we have seen intrusion detection system, same the intrusion prevention system are network security appliances that monitor network and system activities for malicious or harmful activities. The objectives of the intrusion prevention systems are identification of malicious activity, log information about said activity, attempt to block or stop harmful activity which are harmful to our network, and report malevolent activity. So IPS detection methods. The majority of intrusion prevention system utilize one of two detection methods. So in this, first is the signature based detection. This method utilizes signature of attack patterns that are predetermined and pre-configured. The signature based intrusion prevention system then monitors the network traffic and matches for that signature. Once a match is found, the intrusion prevention system takes the appropriate action. So in this, the digital signature of attack patterns is predetermined and it is saved. And then the network is scanned for this signature attack, and if the match is found, then the prevention system takes the appropriate action. Second is statistical anomaly based or knowledge based detection. So this IDS determines the normal network activity, like what is the bandwidth, what protocols are used, what ports and devices generally connect to each other. It alters the administrator or user and prevent the malicious contents when anomalous or normal traffic is detected. Classification of the intrusion prevention system. So the classification is, it is classified into four types. First is network based intrusion prevention system. It monitors the entire network for suspicious traffic by analyzing the protocol activity. The sensors are located at the network border, and then the sensor capture all the network traffic and analyzes the content of individual packets for malicious traffic and prevent them. Next is host based intrusion prevention system. So it is install software package that is that scans or that monitors the single host for suspicious activity. Then wireless intrusion prevention system, it monitors the wireless network for suspicious traffic. Then network behavior analysis, it examines the network traffic to identify the threats that generate the unusual traffic flows. Then how IPS work, as IDS is not in line with the traffic, but the IPS is in inline mode, means it is in the traffic of hacker and the target machine. Okay, so IPS device operates in inline mode because the IPS device is in actual traffic path. This makes the device more effective against worms and atomic attacks that are carried out by a single packet. Thank you.